If you're on the hunt for the best cabinet table saws of 2024, you're in the right place. After testing countless models, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 that truly stand out in terms of precision, power, and durability. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, finding the right table saw can make all the difference in your projects. So, if you're eager to discover which cabinet table saw will elevate your woodworking game, stick around. Remember, the products are not in any specific order, so make sure to watch until the end to catch all the details. Plus, all the links to find the best deals are in the description. Let's begin. I've been using the DEWALT 10-inch table saw for a while now, and I've got to say, it's really impressed me with how it combines power and accuracy. You know those moments when you're cutting through thick pressure-treated lumber or hardwoods? The 15-amp motor handles it like it's nothing. It's actually pretty satisfying to watch it work. One thing that really makes this saw stand out is the rack and pinion telescoping fence system. I remember struggling with precise cuts on my old saw, but this system just makes everything click into place. You can adjust it quickly and smoothly, and your cuts come out exactly how you want them. The rolling stand is another feature I've come to appreciate. It's super convenient when you need to move the saw around your shop or take it to different job sites. Now, let me be real with you. There are a few things that could be better. This saw weighs about 50 kilograms, which can be a pain if you're working by yourself. Getting it set up properly takes some time too. You'll need to do some alignment work at first. And while the dust collection works okay, it's not great, especially when you're using the blade guard. I usually end up with more cleanup than I'd like. That said, there's a lot to love about this saw. The build quality is solid. You can tell it's made to last. I really appreciate the little details like how they've included storage for all your accessories and how straightforward it is to change the blade. These are the kind of features that make a difference when you're using it regularly. When you look at what you're getting for the price, it's actually pretty good value. Whether you're a pro or just really into woodworking as a hobby, you're getting a reliable saw that delivers on power, accuracy, and mobility. If you're in the market for a serious table saw, this one's definitely worth checking out. I've put all the pricing details and specifications in the description below. Let's dive into the VEVOR 10-inch, 15-amp table saw, a piece of equipment I've been putting through its paces over the last few weeks. For those passionate about woodworking, having a versatile saw that can tackle various cuts is crucial. This model's 15-amp motor, spinning at 4,500 revolutions per minute, impressively manages most standard woodworking tasks with ease. A standout feature during my testing was the adjustable cutting system. The blade can be angled anywhere from -60 to 60 degrees, and the full-length fence is a great aid in maintaining straight cuts. This was particularly beneficial when I was working on angled cuts for a cabinet project. Safety is a top priority for me when it comes to power tools, and this saw doesn't disappoint. The blade guard is robust, and the security shield effectively keeps sawdust in check. I was particularly thankful for the overload protection, which activated when I was pushing too hard through some thick oak, likely preventing motor damage. The saw's compact size is another practical aspect. If you, like me, occasionally need to transport your tools to different job sites, you'll appreciate how easily it fits in the back of a truck without hogging too much space. The dust port is a handy addition. Not perfect, but it does help reduce the mess. However, there are a few drawbacks I encountered. The assembly process was not the most intuitive, and I faced some issues with the stand. It's essential to double-check the fence alignment before making precise cuts, and I noticed the blade housing was a bit loose initially, requiring some tightening. In summary, for its price, this saw offers solid value, especially for DIY enthusiasts or weekend warriors. Would I suggest it for heavy-duty daily use in a professional setting? Probably not, but for home projects and occasional tasks, it performs admirably. For the latest price and more details, check out the link in the description below. Let's take a closer look at the Rockwell portable tabletop saw. After spending a few weeks testing it, I must say, it's quite intriguing, especially if you're fed up with those bulky stationary table saws. What really stands out is its portability. It comes with a built-in handle that makes it incredibly easy to transport, perfect for those who work at various locations or have limited space in their workshop. This saw is surprisingly adaptable when it comes to cutting. I've put it through its paces with rip cuts, cross cuts, scroll cuts, and more, and it handles them all quite well. It features a guard and riving knife system, which is essential for safety. A notable feature is the tool-free blade change, allowing you to switch between cutting wood, ceramic tile, and metal without any hassle, which is a real time saver. However, there are a few areas where it could improve. During my testing, I noticed it can become a bit unstable, particularly during longer rip cuts. The miter gauge isn't as sturdy as I'd prefer, with some play that can affect precision. Additionally, the switch from a metal deck to a plastic one in the latest model raises concerns about its durability over time. Despite these issues, the saw offers good value for the price. It's particularly beneficial for do-it-yourself enthusiasts or those needing a portable option for smaller professional tasks. The safety features are commendable, with a reliable safety switch and a vacuum port to help maintain a clean workspace, which is always appreciated. While this saw won't replace a full-size table saw for large projects, that's not its intended purpose. If you're looking for a compact tool that can handle various materials and types of cuts, this saw might be just what you need. For more information on pricing and specifications, check out the link in the description. The DEWALT 60-volt table saw has been a staple in my toolkit for several months now, and it's truly impressed me with its blend of cordless flexibility and robust performance. The innovative battery system is a standout feature, automatically adjusting voltage based on the task at hand. This adaptability is a game changer, especially when frequently moving between different work locations. One feature that really shines is the 24-inch rip capacity. If you've ever struggled with large plywood sheets, you'll understand the value of this extra space. The rack and pinion fence system is another highlight, offering smooth adjustments and precise locking, which is crucial for accurate cuts. The metal roll cage base is a durable addition, withstanding the bumps and knocks far better than the plastic bases I've used previously. However, there are a few practical considerations to keep in mind. The battery life, unfortunately, falls short of expectations, providing around 25 minutes of continuous operation, which can be a constraint on larger projects. Additionally, the stock blade isn't the best for precision work, as I noticed some flex during cuts. Swapping it out for a higher quality blade made a significant difference in performance. On the usability front, this saw is straightforward to set up and operate. The dust collection port, crafted from cast aluminum, is a notable upgrade from the typical plastic versions. Safety features are well thought out, with the power loss reset, preventing unexpected restarts during power fluctuations. Considering the price, this saw offers solid value. While it's not the cheapest option available, the quality of construction and the array of features make it a worthwhile investment for both professionals and serious do-it-yourself enthusiasts. If you're in the market for a reliable table saw, this one deserves a look. For the latest pricing and more information, check out the description below. Let's dive into the VEVOR 10-inch 15-amp table saw, a tool I've been putting through its paces for several weeks. The first thing that grabbed my attention is the robust 15-amp motor. If you often work with tougher woods, you'll appreciate how the 5,000 revolutions per minute blade speed makes slicing through them feel almost effortless. A feature that adds to the saw's practicality is its adjustable cutting angles. You can tilt the blade from -60 to 60 degrees, which is incredibly useful for various projects. Whether you're making straight cuts or angled ones, this saw handles both with ease. In terms of safety, VEVOR has done a commendable job. The blade guard system is reliable, and the security shield effectively keeps sawdust away from your face. The overload protection is a standout feature, having saved me a couple of times when I pushed the saw a bit too hard. However, there are a few downsides. The assembly process can be a bit of a hassle. I spent more time than I'd like to admit setting up the stand. Additionally, while the fence is adjustable, I found myself double-checking measurements more often than I'd prefer. It's not a deal breaker, but something to be aware of. One aspect I truly appreciate is the saw's portability. If you're working in a confined space or need to move your saw around, the foldable design is a real advantage. The dust collection port is also quite effective. It won't catch everything, but it certainly helps keep your workspace tidier. For its price, this saw offers good value, especially if you're a do-it-yourself enthusiast or a weekend woodworker. Just keep in mind that it's not designed for professional-grade precision in heavy-duty tasks. For the latest pricing and detailed specifications, check out the link in the description below.